Hey guys, it's your girl Lady Adri. I'm back with a different video. Y'all know I love my DIYs and I have a DIY for you today. So today I am attempting to do a balloon garland because my best friend is turning 30 and I'm throwing a party for him in August and I want to be sure I know how to do it. So I bought some stuff from Amazon that I'm going to walk through. So if you want to see me attempt this garland for the first time, stay tuned. So the balloon garland or the pack of balloons, I got a 100-piece pack of balloons from Amazon. I will put not put the description, I'll put the link of the pack that I got below. I just went with any colors. His party is gonna be like a neutral theme, so I tried to stick with that. So I did kind of open it a little bit because I was excited. But this is just green, brown, gold, tan, black, and I think that's it. So I believe there is 10-inch, 12-inch, 5-inch. I could be lying. Again, all the details will be in the box below or in the description below. I'm gonna go ahead and separate these out once I'm ready to blow these up. Now to make things easier, I didn't want to use a hand pump, so you know your girl got a electric pump. This I believe was $26.99. I believe it was on sale on Amazon. Again, this will be extremely helpful so I don't have to blow them up by hand. So I'm just gonna open this really quick just to tell you guys what was in it. Again, I kind of opened it already because I was excited. I mean, so you get I think this is a like a little nozzle attachment for smaller balloons, maybe like your foil balloons. I don't know, we'll see. In the box, if I don't know what anything is, description box, okay? First things first, whatever these things are, we'll figure it out, and they'll probably be under here, right? Whatever that is. These come with glue dots, which I'll show you how to use these once we put the garland together. This does come with a balloon strip. I'm not gonna use this because a lot of people said the balloons come off too easily, and I don't have time for that. I want a strong, secure balloon garland. So I did buy some fishing line. This did come with 2 balloon ties. I had to watch how to use these because I've never used one of these, but I know it's gonna come in handy. 1, because I have nails. 2, because your hands get very raw from tying balloons. When I worked at Wegmans here in Buffalo, New York, I was on the balloon station non-stop, and your fingers do get raw when you tie a lot of balloons. So I know this is going to help. Let me see what else. So more glue dots and balloon strip, more of these things, again, whatever they're called. And then you have the honoree here. Why I got it. So this is the electric pump. They have a little section for the cord. Once you plug it in, you'll be able to press down here, and then there is a power on and off button. So when it's on, this one blows air continuously, to where this one you have to press down on it. So without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Okay, in this clip, I'm gonna eventually speed it up, but I just kind of wanted to show you guys in real time how I'm blowing up the balloons and what I'm doing. So the first one, I clearly blew it up way too big. What I have been seeing when watching some videos is that they pushed down on the balloon, 1, to get the air out, and 2, to kind of make the balloon more round. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm trying my best to make them even. At a certain part in the video, you'll see that When you press down on the blue air nozzle, the other one blows air. I did not know that. So let's just say I had the air pump turned on, it'll just make the noise and the air will blow out. But if it's just plugged in, if I press down on the blue one, the pink one will automatically blow out the air. And I noticed that like halfway through the balloons, but I am going to put the sound on just so you guys can hear what the balloon pump sounds like. I totally hope that makes sense. I'm also tying the balloons to one another instead of tying them one by one and then tying them together. I just feel like it saves a lot of time. So the balloon ties, yes, are helpful if you're tying one balloon at a time. But if you're not, just tie them both together and it saves so much more time. Okay, so here is when I'm making, I believe it's called a quad. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm new to this. But basically just saying taking my double balloons, twisting them together to make four, and then that's how I'll be building the balloon garland, which you'll see towards. Okay, here's when I also noticed that there are skinnier nozzles that twist into the blue nozzle and the pink nozzle for those smaller balloons. It's a learning process, y'all. I'm making the mistakes so y'all don't have to make them. Okay, so this is what I was talking about earlier when I said I didn't notice that when I push down on the blue nozzle, the other side blows air without the power switch being on. Okay, as promised, I am going to turn the volume up so you can hear what the balloon pump sounds like. I don't know about y'all, but that's loud to me. Maybe my ears are sensitive. I don't know. Okay, so this is the fishing line that I got from Walmart. It was $1.97, I believe, very cheap. So I actually got the 50-pound, 150-yard line. I got two of them because I didn't know how much I would need, just because you have to take into account you wrap to keep them together. I'm just going to bring a bunch out and leave it on there. I'm not even gonna cut it until I'm ready. Y'all, I was so excited right here because it's coming together. In this clip, I am mapping out where I want the balloon garland to go. It was trial and error, just so I knew where to put the command hooks. I actually just wanted to show you guys which command hooks I was using. It's a balloon garland, so I figured I wouldn't need anything too heavy, and I already had this. And I do want to apologize for the light. Of course, if I did it on the other wall, the light would have been, you know, facing the other way so that it looked better. So I apologize. So these are the glue dots. I'm gonna come closer. Yeah, I can kind of see the glue on there, or not, I don't know. But all you gotta do, I think I'm gonna just use 3. You get your balloon. I think I'm gonna put this balloon right here. I don't know if I want it here or here. I think I want it here. So I'm gonna put it right here. Right. So I don't have to go back in with the fishing line. You just take, I'm gonna rip off what I used already. I'm gonna rip off this. Feel how many I ever want to use. And stick it on the balloon. 1, 2, 3. And pull away. And these are the glue dots, which are extremely helpful. So that when we go ahead and stick it in, it just sticks in there. This is going to be the birthday boy. I think I have one more balloon to attach, but look at that. First go round, I do have some tips for next time, but I just have to figure out where to put this last balloon. Y'all, I think this turned out really good for my first time. I'm extremely excited about his party now, because the one I make for his birthday is just going to pop. It's going to look amazing. So I definitely have to show you guys that. But yes, thank you for tuning in today. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for notification when I post. I will see you guys next time.